Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha Izundu and today we're talking about my favorite lip products of 2022. Now, some of these are brand new this year, but some are new to me this year. We have a range of lip gloss, lipsticks, lip crayons, lip oils. That's it. We don't have any liquid lipsticks this year, although I do love none made it to the final. None made it to the finale. Let's get into it. There's no particular order. Do I have a favorite of the year? I have maybe like two favorites of the year, which I'll tell you when I get to them. So first one is the Emco Beauty Lip Oil. This is just a clear, it looks pink, but it is a clear lip oil. It is beautiful. Oh, the formula is beautiful. It's a dupe for the Dior lip oil. I've not tried the Dior, but it does feel luxury. I highly recommend this if you're Australian. This was a shock of the year. This is the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer. Now this looks like it's totally brown, but I will swatch it for you. It's like a sheer lip gloss. Sheer brown lip gloss. I really like it on the lips more so than this swatch in particular. Let me put on my lips now. I'm wearing the NARS lip balm from my Project Pan video, which is a similar tone, like a sheer brown. It's really nice, but it doesn't swatch so well. So why I love it is it's like got that sheer brown tint, but it has all these different very minute specks of glitter, like pink, gold, silver. It's got everything. The shade, I never know what to call it because it says Love Bite Bouge D'Amour. I feel like the shade is D'Amour. I really love it. It's really affordable. I think I got mine at Kmart. I think I remember seeing this at Kmart. Next is the L'Oreal. Don't know what it's called, but it's the lip gloss in Eye Amplify. Oh, look at this. It's a plumping lip gloss, but look at the shimmer. This is not new this year, but it's just new to me. It's just so nice. So it is sheer. When I say sheer, I mean clear. You can't really see, but it's just gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Really nice formula. Love the color, tint, whatever you call it. Just a really nice lip gloss if you like a shimmery lip gloss. On par with is the Chantecaille Brilliant Gloss in Love. Now these are very expensive, but they are my favorite gloss. My favorite gloss formula. So this is the shade Love, which is basically sheer, but it's got the ever so slightest tint of baby pink. And it's got a shimmer in it, but it's got a brush tip, which I love because it makes it just go on nice and thick. It's not sticky. It's just a really hydrating gloss formula and your lips look delicious every time you wear it. So I love those. Those are all my glosses. Then I have like a glossy balm from Hourglass. Now this went viral, but I bought it before it went viral. So I got my hands on the shade Slip. This is the Phantom Volumizing Plumping Glossy Balm. I can't remember, it's a really long title. This is the shade Slip that sold out everywhere. It is stunning. I really do love wearing it. It looks even sheerer on the lips. Kind of looks more like that on the lips. It's really pretty. It's really hydrating. It's really comfortable to wear, but it is almost a gloss. That's why you can only go up, you can't go back down. And you only do the tiniest bit at a time. I want to put it on, but I'm not going to because it is so soft. But it is very beautiful. If you can get your hands on Slip, I do recommend it, but I think it's been pretty sold out as far as I know. Okay, now we're into lipsticks. This one is actually new to Australia this year. This is the Give Beauty, which is the Gwen Stefani's brand. I have the Original Recipe lipstick. It's a matte red. It is stunning. Oh my gosh. So I wore this and it's a matte, but it's very thin formula and it stayed on my lips. It really didn't move. It is your traditional blue red. It really good quality. I'm sorry, I've got like a runny nose. I was very, very happy with this. And I bought the original shade because I love Gwen Stefani and I want to look just like her. Who doesn't? And I'm glad I got this one because it is absolutely beautiful. It's basically my go-to blue-red. I don't usually gravitate towards lipsticks, but because this doesn't move and it's a thin formula, it's very comfortable to wear. It doesn't feel like a heavy red, even though it is a matte opaque formula. It is beautiful. Next is the Lulu Lips, which is an Australian brand. This is their lipstick. Look at the component. Boop. This is the shade Ned, which is a great nude shade. It is such a nice lipstick. I've raved about it ever since I got it. I bought this when I did a subscribers made me buy it video, and this was recommended to me, and oh, love it. I think I paid about $30 for it. It wasn't overly expensive. It was kind of mid-range, but it is a beautiful formula, beautiful color. This is a wedding day color, and just really happy with it. Really happy with it, and it's a luxury component too. So if you're Australian, I definitely recommend that. Beautiful, beautiful lipstick. Next is from Essence. It's the Cool Collagen Plumping Lipstick. I was gifted 2 shades. I really like the shade My Way. It's a lot sheerer than I thought it was going to be, and it's called Cool Collagen because it's actually like minty and plumping. It's quite an interesting lipstick. So here's the shade here. It looks really pigmented on my hand, but when I wear it, it's really quite light. It's a very wearable lipstick, and I find that it just gives a little bit of color to my lips without looking like a heavy lipstick. It's a really beautiful formula, very light, plumping, slightly plumping. It's just kind of got that cool minty kind of effect. I'm just going to blend it out so I can show you kind of what I mean. It's more so like this. It's very pretty if you can get your hands on the Cool Collagen lipsticks. It's a really nice formula. Next is another one of my favorites. I would say I fell in love with this, but it's limited edition. It's the Chantecaille Lip Tint Hydrating Balm in the shade Sunflower. This was from their summer collection in the neon packaging. Oh, I fell in love with this. This is, I've got a lot of similar tones here. It's a glossy balm. It's very similar to the Hourglass. I would say the Hourglass is even more soft. See, this is like more like a lipstick, but it's still very soft, but it has that similar color and similar balmy, glossy hybrid. It's just beautiful. It's shame it was a limited edition, and I was drawn to it because of the packaging, but I stayed for the quality and the color. It's like a brownie mauve. It's really beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, totally in love with it. Never want it to end, but it will eventually, and I'm gonna be really sad. Next is the Maybelline Ulti Matte. This was really cool. I got the shade More Mocha. I really like these kinds of, like, I've got a few of them. Components that are on an angle. I just find them so easy to apply. So this is a matte formula. I just really like the color. Very cool toned. Really cool. Really cool toned. It's just a really unique color for me. It's like a brownie purple. Oh, I love it. What was it called again? More Mocha. Really love it. It is matte, but that makes it long wear, so I really like it for that reason, if that's what I'm looking for. And then last but not least, I would have to say is actually my favorite of the year, which is kind of shocking because it's a red lipstick, and I don't wear red all the time, but the reason why I love this, before I show you, is because it's super wearable. It is so easy to wear, which is shocking for a red lipstick. It is from Rose Inc, and it is a lip crayon, lip color in the shade 16. It's the word 16. And look at it. It is got one, it's like a lip crayon. Oh, why do I love this so much? It's so good. Every time I wear it, I get fully complimented because it's a really nice color. It's a soft red. Okay, even next to the Give Beauty, you can kind of see it's a little bit softer. So when you wear it on your lips, it does look like a red, but it doesn't look like a red that is like show-stopping red. This is show-stopping red. This is softer, it's wearable for the day, it's easy to reapply. I would say it's matte, but like natural. It's not like a drying matte. I'd say it's like more of a satin natural finish. It's definitely not glossy by any means. So it stays put, but if you do need to reapply, my God, it's easy to reapply. I love it so much. I want to get other ones, but this red is, if you want a red, but you don't want to look like, you don't want everyone staring at you, but you want a nice red, this is the one. Oh, it's so good. I highly recommend it. Probably my favorite lipstick of the year, just because of how surprisingly good it is. So that is everything. That is all my makeup favorites done for the year. Make sure you check my account if you missed my other ones. I will actually leave the playlist down below for all the other yearly favorites I had. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please let me know your favorite lipstick or lip product of the year. I have no lip liners. I didn't have one. I had no new lip liners this year that blew me out. I bought a lot last year, so I don't think I really even bought any this year. But yes, let me know your favorite lip product down below. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.